Every business needs video podcasting to grow. It's what helps you stand out. And to make that happen, the right video kit is essential. With so many products out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Introducing our modular video kits, designed to scale with your setup. Whether you're creating podcasts, live e-commerce streams, online meetings, and more, you can easily build the perfect configuration for your needs. We know your time is valuable, so we've built a complete, ready-to-use kit for you. For business video, a high-resolution stable camera is essential. Our VM20 delivers stunning 4K video, 10x optical zoom, multicam support, and a stable connection. Everything you need to capture your podcast in professional clarity. AM25X, the condenser microphone, offers studio-quality sound thanks to its exceptional clarity and noise reduction. AWM20T, a high-quality wireless microphone that frees you from limitations and unlocks limitless creativity. MX40U, an all-in-one audio mixer that makes it easy to connect 2, 4, or even more microphones to your computer. VK40 green screen lighting kit, bringing every scene to life with vibrant, true-to-reality visuals, empowering you to create limitless business stories. And of course, we include all the accessories you need. Boom arms, XLR cables, stands, and more to make podcasting easy and professional, right out of the box. With just a simple setup, you'll have a complete professional business kit ready to go, and countless creative possibilities to explore with NearStream business kits.